Hello! Welcome to Agri Channel. This video is prepared to help you on your licensure examination for agriculturist journey. This is a 100 question and answer for the subject soil science. We will give you an ample time to answer or you may pause this video. Are you ready, future Agri? Good luck! Question number 1. Nitrification carried out by autotrophic bacteria is not affected by which of the following? A. pH, B. temperature, C. oxygen supply, D. redox potential, or E. soil OM. The answer is soil OM. Number 2. Soil microorganisms that degrades carbon containing pesticides are considered A. autotrophs, B. chemotrophs, C. heterotrophs, D. phototrophs, or E. none of the above. The answer is heterotrophs. Number 3. The source of C in the soil is A. soil atmosphere, B. soil solution, C. soil OM, D. soil minerals, or E. all of the above. The answer is soil OM. Number 4. The conversion of ammonium to ammonia is referred to as A. denitrification, B. nitrogen fixation, C. volatilization, D. immobilization, or E. none of the above. The answer is volatilization. Number 5. Most of the N in the soil solid fraction of the soil is in the form of A. ammonium N, B. nitrate N, C. nitrite N, D. organic N, or E. fixed N. The answer is organic N. Number 6. Nitrate is not removed from the soil system by which of the following? A. leaching, B. plant uptake, C. nitrogen fertilization, D. erosion, or E. runoff. The answer is nitrogen fertilization. Number 7. Microaerophilic microorganisms require A. no oxygen levels, B. nominal oxygen level, C. high oxygen level, or D. extremely high oxygen level. The answer is nominal oxygen level. Number 8. Which of the following process is not mediated by soil microorganisms? A. N mineralization, B. P immobilization, C. K leaching, D. S exudation, or E. BNF. The answer is K. leaching. Number 9. Among the soil microorganisms listed below, which would influence soil aggregation in the upland to the greatest extent? A. Protozoa, B. Algae, C. Fungi, D. Bacteria, or E. Actinomycetes. The answer is actinomycetes. Number 10. Among the following microbial process, which would have the greatest contribution to the global warming? A. SOM decomposition, B. Denitrification, C. Nitrification, D. SOM decomposition and denitrification, or E. SOM decomposition and nitrification. The answer is SOM decomposition and nitrification. Number 11. The average biomass of bacteria in the soil is approximately A. 2,000 kg per HFS, B. 4,000 kg per HFS, C. 8,000 kg per HFS, D. 12,000 kg per HFS, or E. 16,000 kg per HFS. The answer is 2,000 kg per HFS. Number 12. In the list given below, indicate the potential sources of toxins in the soil. A. Sewer sludge, B. Decomposing OM, C. Soil microorganisms, D. Plant roots, or E. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Number 13. Which among the following is not a form of endomycorrhizal with fungi? A. Rice, B. Corn, C. Coffee, D. Orchids, or E. None of the above. The answer is orchids. Number 14. The first stage in soil erosion. A. Soil particle detachment, B. Entrainment, C. Deposition, or D. Water infiltration. The answer is soil particle detachment. Number 15. Major agent of soil erosion in the Philippines. A. Wind, B. Water, C. Animal traffic, or D. Gravity. The answer is water. Number 16. Form of soil erosion where very thin film of water flow at the soil surface. A. Splash erosion, B. Sheet erosion, C. Rill erosion, or D. Gully erosion. The answer is sheet erosion. Number 17. Type of soil texture that is highly erodible. A. Sandy loam. B. Silt. C. Clay. Or D. Clay loam. The answer is silt. Number 18. Type of soil structure that is less erodible due to its high infiltration rate and strong aggregate stability. A. Massive. B. Crumb. C. Platy. Or D. Loam. The answer is crumb. Number 19. Agronomic soil conservation method that involves planting two or more annual crops with second crop planted after the first crops has flowered or nearing harvest. A. Relay planting. B. Alley cropping. C. Crop rotation. Or D. Contour cultivation. The answer is relay planting. Number 20. Soil conservation practice where hedges are grown along the contour lines. A. Bench terracing. B. Contouring. C. Alley cropping. Or D. Cover cropping. The answer is alley cropping. Number 21. A chemical element is considered essential if A. It is taken up by the plants. B. It is involved in metabolic functions in the plants. C. It makes the plant greener. Or D. All of the above. The answer is it is involved in metabolic functions in the plants. Number 22. Soil fertility is the ability of the soil to supply nutrients in A. Sufficient and balanced amount. B. Amounts above the optimum. C. Readily available forms. D. All of the above. Or E. None of the above. The answer is sufficient and balanced amount. Number 23. Among the essential elements, these three are not normally applied as fertilizers. A, N, P, and K. B, N, S, and Ca. C, C, H, and O. D, all of the above. Or E, none of the above. The answer is C, H, and O. Number 24. A native supply of this nutrient generally comes from the soil OM. A. Calcium. B. Phosphorus. C. Nitrogen. D. All of the above. Or E. None of the above. The answer is nitrogen. Number 25. A soil that is fertile is A. All of below, B. None of below, C. Necessarily productive, D. Not necessarily productive, or E. Always productive. The answer is not necessarily productive. Number 26. The immediate source of carbon plant is A. All of the above, B. None of below, C. CO2 from air, D. CO2 from carbon minerals, or E. CO2 from decay of OM. The answer is CO2 from air. Number 27. Of the essential elements, these are not absorbed in ionic forms. A, N, P, and K, B, Ca, Mg, and S, C, C, H, and O, D, all of the above, E, none of the above. The answer is C, H, and O. Number 28. Iron is more available to plants in A. Its oxidized form Fe3+, B. Its reduced form Fe2O3, C. Its reduced form Fe2+, D. All of the above, or E. None of the above. The answer is its reduced form Fe2+. Number 29. Plants' demand for nutrients, particularly nitrogen, is generally greatest during A. All of below, B. None of below, C. Vegetative stage, D. Seedling stage, or E. Fruiting stage. The answer is vegetative stage. Number 30. Liebig's law of the minimum in effect says that plant growth and yield A. All of below, B. None of below, C. Is limited by the absence of a nutrient, D. Is limited by excess of a particular nutrient, E. Is limited by excess of a particular nutrient. The answer is limited by excess of a particular nutrient. Number 31. Plant growth response to increasing amounts of limiting nutrient is generally A. None of below, B. A curvilinear function, C. A straight line functions, or D. A fluctuating function. The answer is a curvilinear function. Number 32. When depicted graphically, the Mitchell-Leak equation shows that with addition of a limiting nutrient, A. All of below. B. None of below. C. Yield increases linearly. D. Yield increases but in decreasing increment. Or E. Yield increases exponentially. The answer is yield increases but in decreasing increment. Number 33. Soil productivity is the ability of the soil. A. To produce the desired amount of a plant yield. B. Supply nutrient in sufficient and balanced amount. C. Store and resist leaching of nutrients. Or D. All of the above. The answer is to produce the desired amount of plant yield. Number 34. Plants become chlorotic when these nutrients are deficient. A, N, P, and K. B, N, Mg, and Ca. C, N, Mg, and S. Or D, none of the above. The answer is N, Mg, and S. Number 35. This element has a critical role in sugarcane fertilization because of its function in the synthesis of sugar. A. All of below. B. Nitrogen. C. Phosphorus. Or D. Potassium. The answer is potassium. Number 36. These elements are present in most amino acids and proteins. A. All of below. B. None of below. C. Phosphorus and potassium. D. Iron and copper. Or E. Nitrogen and sulfur. The answer is nitrogen and sulfur. Number 37. This is a mechanism of nutrient movement and uptake due to concentration gradient. A. All of below. B. None of below. C. Mass flow. D. Contact exchange or root interception. Or D. Diffusion. The answer is diffusion. Number 38. Under strongly acid soil conditions, phosphorus is usually complexed into an available form as A. Calcium phosphate. B. Al and Fe hydroxyphosphate. C. Zn phosphate. D. All of the above. Or E. None of the above. The answer is Al and Fe hydroxyphosphate. Number 39. Nutrient antagonism means that reduced availability or absorption of a nutrient. A. All of below. B. None of below. C. When another nutrient is deficient. D. When another nutrient is excessive. Or E. When another nutrient is in equal amounts. The answer is when another nutrient is excessive. Number 40. The basic reaction during biological and fixation. These are the options. The answer is number 41. The weak acid form upon hydrolysis of urea in soils. A. All of below. B. None of below. C. Acetic acid. D. Carbonic acid. Or E. Uric acid. The answer is carbonic acid. Number 42. The other essential element present in ammonium sulfate but absent in urea. A. Calcium. B. Sulfur. C. Iron. Or D. All of the above. The answer is sulfur. Number 43. The appropriate N fertilizer of a sulfur deficient soil. A. Urea. B. Ammonium nitrate. C. Ammonium sulfate. Or D. All of the above. The answer is ammonium sulfate. Number 44. This nitrogen transformation causes soil acidity. A. All of below. B. NH3 volatilization. C. Nitrification. D. Denitrification. Or E. None of the above. The answer is nitrification. Number 45. This is a common way by which N in fertilizers is lost when applied to alkaline soils. A. All of below. B. None of below. C. NH3 volatilization. D. Denitrification. Or E. Fixation by clay. The answer is NH3 volatilization. Number 46. This is a process by which nutrients are released into available forms from OM. A. All of below. B. None of below. C. Mineralization. D. Immobilization. Or E. Nitrification. The answer is mineralization. Number 47. This is a process by which plant material is incorporated into the soils while fresh. A. Mulching. B. Cover cropping. C. Green manuring. D. Green leaf manuring. The answer is green manuring. Number 48. An element that is commonly in toxic concentration in strongly acid soils. A. All of below. B. None of below. C. Phosphorus. D. Sulfur. The answer is none of below. Number 49. Conversion of inorganic and available forms of nutrient into organic or unavailable forms. A. Immobilization. B. Mineralization. C. Ammonification. Or D. Fixation. The answer is immobilization. Number 50. These elements are most prone to fixation by clays. A. All of below. B. None of below. C. N and K. D. Ca and S. Or E. Fe and Mn. The answer is Fe and Mn. Number 51. Protein is a biochemical compound in OM where most of the nitrogen is tied up. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 52. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur are three nutrients contributed by OM to soils. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 53. Heterotrophs are a group of organisms that use OM as their source of carbon and energy. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 54. The group of microorganisms which use simple inorganic compounds as their source of carbon and energy are or is called autotrophs. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. Or D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 55. Obligate bacteria can thrive with or without oxygen. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 56. Rhizobia is able to fix nitrogen from the air in root nodules or legumes. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 57. Molds, mushrooms, and yeast are three forms of fungi. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 58. Soil texture is the distribution of soil's separates. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 59. Value describes the darkness of lightness of soil color. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The The answer is true. Number 60. Soil structure is best observed in A. Horizon. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 61. An auger is used to make rapid observation of the soil profile without exposing one. A. False. B. True. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. 62. Soil series is the broadest category of soil taxonomy. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. 63. Clayey soils are more pronous than sandy soils. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 64. Dispersed clay soil possesses a good soil structure. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 65. Clay is a structural grade. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 66. Increasing bulk density indicates deteriorating soil physical conditions. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 67. The soil structure of a compacted flow layer is platy. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 68. Red color in soils indicates that the soil is young. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 69. The upper limit of available water is filled capacity. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. 70. The moisture content of an air-dry soil is hygroscopic. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 71. Regolith are blocks of soil from each horizon posted on a hard board. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 72. Most agricultural soils would have a particle density close to this value 2.65 grams per cm3. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 73. Vertical layer of band of differentiation is soil profile. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 74. Soil profile is a group of soils which developed from the same parent material and whose profile characteristics are the same. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is false. Number 75. U describes the strength of color. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. Number 76. Pebbles are soil particles that are larger than 2 mm in size. A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. I don't know. The answer is true. 77. The steeper the slope, the greater is the soil loss because of infiltration is A. Low. B. High. C. Moderate. D. Average. The answer is high. Number 78. It is a kind of affected soil that has a high exchangeable sodium percentage, causing to the soil to disperse, thus making it slowly permeable or impermeable to water. A. Sodic soil. B. Saline sodic soil. C. Saline soil. Or D. Acidic soil. The answer is sodic soil. Number 79. It is a metamorphic rock produced from limestone. A. Marble. B. Gneiss. C. Slate. D. Granite. The answer is marble. Number 80. Lime and soluble phosphate cannot be applied together because phosphorus becomes unavailable. This is due to the process known as A. Fixation. B. Immobilization. C. Leaching. Or D. Denitrification. The answer is fixation. Number 81. It means the true soil or the A, E, and B horizons of the soil profile. A. Soil. B. Regolith. C. SOLUM, or D. Soil profile? The answer is regolith. Number 82. It is made up of poorly sorted rock fragments, detached from the heights above and carried down slope mostly by gravity. A. Collivium, B. Alluvium, C. Residuum, or D. Lacustrine. The answer is colluvium. Number 83. The master horizons in the soil profiles are designated using A. Capital letters, B. Small letters, C. Vowels only, or D. Consonant only. The answer is capital letters. Number 84. Purpling of the leaves is a common deficiency symptom of AK, BP, CN, or DZN. The answer is P. Number 85. How many kilograms of K20 is present in 200 kilograms muriate of potash? A30, B60, C90, D120. The answer is 120. Number 86. Which element is not available to plants at strongly acidic pH? ACA, BFE, CAL, DMN. The answer is CA. Number 87. All except one is a cation. A. Nitrate ion, B. Ammonium ion, C. Manganese ion, or D. Ferric ion. The answer is nitrate ion. Number 88. Element which is largely removed by Gainscop and some leafy vegetables. A. Potassium, B. Nitrogen, C. Phosphorus, or D. Sulfur. The answer is nitrogen. Number 89. A material necessary to hold fertilizer elements in suitable form for use as fertilizers. A. Fillers, B. Carriers, C. Fertilizer grade, or D. Fertilizer formula. The answer is carriers. Number 90. Plants make use of in food making. A. Nitrogen, B. CO2, C. Sulfur, or D. Calcium. The answer is CO2. Number 91. Which of the following fertilizers materials will dissolve first? A. 21-0-0, B. 0-20-0, 6, C. 16-20-0, D. 15-15-15. The answer is 21 to 0 to 0. 92. A 50-kilogram bag of urea costs 600 pesos. How much is the price per kilogram of nitrogen? A. 18.10 pesos. B. 28.10 pesos. C. 38.10 pesos. Or D. 48.10 pesos. The answer is 28.10 pesos. Number 93. Which of the following is both an organic and inorganic fertilizer? A. Sulfate of potash. B. Triple superphosphate. C. Urea. Or D. Ammonium sulfate. The answer is urea. Number 94. The amount of water held in the soil between fill capacity and permanent wilting point. A. Available water. B. Total water. C. Unavailable water. Or D. Metabolic water. The answer is available water. Number 95. Which of the following process does not result to water loss? A. Drainage. B. Infiltration. C. Surface runoff. Or D. Transpiration. The answer is infiltration. Number 96. Phosphorus is a constituent of A. All of below. B. Enzyme. C. Phospholipids. D. Phosphoproteins. E. Proteins. F. Proteins. Or G. None of the above. The answer is all of below. Number 97. Which of these elements does not fall under non-metal group? A. Boron. B. Chlorine. C. Nitrogen. D. Silicon. Or D. Manganese. The answer is nitrogen. Number 98. A slightly altered material from which the soil was formed. A. Parent material. B. Paydon. C. Sand. D. Soil profile. Or E. SOLUM. The answer is parent material. Number 99. To get the approximately percent protein content when the nitrogen is known, multiply the percent nitrogen by A. 3.25, B. 4.25, C. 5.25, or D. 6.25. The answer is 6.25. Number 100. The phosphorus status of the soil using the Truex method is between 6 to 10 pm. This value indicates that P is A. Adequate, B. Deficient, C. Possibly deficient, or D. Very deficient. The answer is deficient. Good job. So, how ready are you now? Thank you for watching.